Welcome to day one of our Marrakech vlog. It's actually a lot later on in the day now. We landed in Marrakech at about midday. We then got a bus from the airport to the Medina, which is where we're staying, and that was all really super straightforward. We're staying in a Riad, which is just beautiful. I'll leave a link to it below. It's called Riad Dabakech. And it's kind of crazy that you're in the chaos that is the Medina, and then as soon as you enter the Riad, it's just pure peace. Just such a juxtaposition. We checked into the Riad and they served us some Moroccan tea. It was my first time trying it and it was delicious. I will be having so much of that whilst I'm here, and yeah, we were then super hungry, so we headed into the Medina and grabbed some lunch from a stall which did these like pita filled with vegetables and pickles, so that was really good. And then we went to Ben Youssef Madrasa.
We're still going this way. Oh, we're going to dinner! I'm like,
It's day two in Marrakech. We've just had breakfast on the roof terrace of our Riad. It was really beautiful, a really nice spread. We had Moroccan tea, orange juice, some savoury bread, some cake, there was some fruit. It was really nice, and we're just off to a cooking class now. We're going to be making some tagine, which will be really good. Really looking forward to that. And then, yeah, I'm not sure what we'll get up to for the rest of the day, but come along.
Keep them together all the way till you finish this side, okay? Be careful with the knives, they are a bit sharp. And then you turn it the other side and start again, and slice it, just like that.
There's actually not like one bit of cooking that I don't enjoy. The only thing with me is I don't like being rushed. I hate cooking in a rush.
I know, I did. me. Everything is super therapeutic.
Yeah, but some people find cooking like really stressful.
Yeah, people just like don't like it at all. And it's not that they're bad. I think they just
No, they just don't. They see it as a chore, right?
Yeah.
We have three different sizes of couscous in Morocco. There is a small fine one, a medium size, and a large one. That's what they do couscous. On a le couscous fin, moyen et le grand. C'est lequel? Which one is this?
That's fine.
Fin, mid.
Did you say 5?
Five. Put it right. Make sure that the olive oil will touch every piece of the couscous. We keep mixing for 1 hour. You choose the good. Then use this one. La tomate concentrée pour
After we have all of that to eat, huh? of the things that we got today, and we're in Marrakech, Morocco. Today's our last day, our last night.
It's our last night, and we picked up some really cool things in the souks that we wanted to show you.
Yeah, so we're gonna save the best for last, which is Shriya's, because it's like the bigger piece. So I'll show you.
It's bigger, but it's not necessarily the best. Everything we got is so cool, and we're really happy with our purchases.
Yeah, I do really like all our purchases. So starting off small, I got these 2 little spoons for tea, just because I guess Moroccan tea, and also I love homeware.
They're really nice. They're like stripy. I think they're just really unique.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm going to use the word unique a lot.
Yeah.
Cool.
I like them a lot. And we got these for 20 dirhams. Yeah, because it was 10 each.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 dirhams, which is like literally almost less than £2.
£2, yeah.
Which I'll take. Yeah. Quite cute. And I feel like, oh no, low battery. No, it doesn't stop. Okay. Yeah, cute for future home tea. The next thing is this, which is like a Moroccan blue. I just wanted to get something for my toothbrush. I guess this can be used for like drinking, but I actually think this looks better for like a toothbrush holder.
Yeah, I love like that it's clay at the bottom and then it's painted blue at the top. I don't know, I think
the dual tone.
It's just really cool, yeah.
Yeah, and like apparently this is terracotta. Don't really know what that means, but apparently it's good.
That's what they told us.
That's what they told us. I forgot how much I paid for this one, but I think 50. Yeah, because I heckled, remember? It was originally
it was a
like
good haggle.
80.
You got it down to 40, but then the guy at this store said something like 10 more is not a lot for you, but it's a lot for me. And I think it just pulled on our heartstrings. So yeah, I mean, 10 dirhams is like 80p, so yeah.
So this one is kind of random. I kind of just really like silver at the moment. It can be used as soap dish. My idea is to have it like on, like in my room, like on like a bookshelf or something, and just put like nice jewelry. Shreya and I did a cooking class, and obviously being in Marrakech, you see these pots everywhere, but I was specifically looking for like small ones, because I probably won't be making tagine, but like just these like itself I thought were really cute. 2, like one for salt, pepper, or for whatever spice that I end up using. But I just think in like future kitchen, it'll be really cute.
We were initially told that it was impossible to find this colour in the small ones. Like they have the big ones, which are just huge, but to find small ones in this colour was apparently not a thing. But we found one shop that did them.
In this colour.
Yeah.
But
so that was an immediate grab.
Yeah, I just really like the look of it, because it's like the traditional color where they actually cook tagine in. Anyways, Shreya's turn, which is super fun. You have to give like backstory.
I only got one thing. I was so overwhelmed by the souks. Like everything is amazing, but every store pretty much sells the same thing. And there was a lot of things I could have picked up, but I didn't. But I did get one thing, which I'm really, really happy with, and it is a chessboard. It's this marble chessboard. They do like bigger sizes, but I decided to go for the mini ones. And this is going to be a decorative piece in my future home.
I can't wait to see it in your future home.
Yeah, I'm really excited. It just feels really good quality, and I've got the little pieces as well.
Yeah, she's heavy.
To go with. Okay, so this is what the pieces look like. I've got like a marble king here, and then there's also the opponent. This is a little knight. I did used to play chess when I was younger, and I didn't think it was cool, and now I've grown up and I think it's cool, and I want to get back into